Hello, students. Today we discuss the poem of Thomas Gray, Elegy written in a country churchyard. This poem is one of the most famous poems in English literature. The poem is about the lives of the simple country people, the rustic people, the village life. The poem was first published in 1751 and it immediately attracted the attention of the people by virtue of this single poem. The great poet Thomas Gray stands easily at the head of all the English elegiac poets. When we analyze the reason of its great popularity, we find that the poem became popular because of the following reasons. We discuss the reasons why the poem is so popular, why the poem is so famous. First of all, the elegy is popular due to its subject matter. It deals in a pathetic manner with the lives of the simple country people, the lives of the simple rustic villagers have been described by the poet in the poem, and the simple way of living of those people has been described in the poem. The democratic sympathy in the poem is responsible for its great popularity. The elegy is popular as it expresses universal feelings and thoughts. The poem is also popular because of the simplicity of its theme and the description of nature in the opening three stanzas. The poet begins the poem at the time of dusk, and the description of nature is praiseworthy in the poem. The elegy has a note of music. The music goes deep into the heart of people. The autobiographical note is also remarkable in the poem. The poem ends with a personal note. In this way, we can say that the poem is quite popular and it is relevant even today. It deals with the common people, the rustic people, the people who have been exploited by the rich people, by the powerful people, by the people who think themselves superior to these rustic peoples. The rustic people didn't earn fame. It was not the fault of those people, according to the poet. It was the fault of the system. It was the fault of the society that has not provided them proper atmosphere to develop their inner virtues. The people could not develop their personality, could not develop their virtues because of the social system that kept them downtrodden, that didn't provide them proper atmosphere to flourish. The people who have been described in the poem were full of talent and genial current of humanity, but the situation didn't allow them to flourish. In this way, the poem has a universal appeal to the readers. Thank you.